To do or not to do? That is the question. Hi, I'm Kevin Grolig, a real estate agent with Compass located in Potomac, Maryland. And thank you for visiting the latest video in a series, Real Kevin. Are you a potential home seller in today's market wondering what to do or what not to do when preparing your home? If so, this video will tackle the 3 options you have when selling your home. In today's 2021 real estate market, many homes are selling in days with multiple offers. This begs the question from many homeowners, to do or not to do? If there's one thing I know, it's being decisive right up front is imperative. There's how to prepare, what to prepare, or if to prepare. The fact of the matter is, there are no do-overs. The last thing you want to be saying in the end is woulda, coulda, shoulda. With that being said, let's take a dive into 3 things to do or not to do. Option number 1, as is. You don't have to do anything. This is a viable option in 2021. Ultimately, the right price will sell your home regardless of condition. Don't let anyone tell you this isn't an option. It is! What's important to realize is with the as-is option, the chances are you will be leaving some money on the table. If timeliness and stress-free is what you value, this might be a viable option. Option 2, nuts and bolts. I would say that taking care of nuts and bolts items is always a good idea. So, what are nuts and bolts? Decluttering, tidying up, necessary repairs, working light bulbs, touch up paint, make your bed, do the dishes, tidy up the lawn. And I know I'm pushing you on this one, but you might want to consider getting some new linens and towels to give a little bit of a fresher look. Oh yeah, and you can take that stuff with you. Option 3, dress for success. This approach is for the homeowner who's looking to maximize. This option starts with everything in nuts and bolts, but takes it quite a bit further. What you're looking for are the items where $1 in gets $3 out. This is where you get to the question, what to do and what not to do. It's important to point out that these things are not for you. These choices should strictly be based around buyer demand. So let's talk about the what to do list. Professional paint job. Notice I'm very clear about professional paint job. Guys, I've seen some pretty horrible paint jobs over the years. The right paint colors, the right paint type, and the right painter will make all the difference. If this is something you want to tackle yourself, knock yourself out. But I would highly advise leave this to a professional. Number 2 on the list of what to do, flooring. Flooring should be really tight. Wood floors need to be in pristine condition. Ceramic tiles should be in great shape with crisp, clean grout lines. In most cases, I recommend replacing carpet over cleaning carpet. However, this decision may be determined by the overall condition of the carpet. Once again, let's focus on the return. Number 3 on what to do, new lighting. New lighting will oftentimes yield a huge return on investment. Taking out those old, nasty brass fixtures and replacing them with new nickel, chrome, or oil-rubbed bronze will make a big difference. Oh yeah, guys, and one disclaimer here. Once you decide to pick a color, stick with it. Mixed and matched colors will be a major distraction. Number 4, what to do? Landscaping. An investment in landscaping will always create what every agent desires in real estate, and that's curb appeal. This will consist of pruning overgrown trees and shrubbery, freshly digging out garden beds, and adding new mulch. Bonus tip here, I highly recommend black shredded mulch over brown or orange. And for goodness sakes, don't use those large chips. Number 5 on the what to do list, home staging. It's always best after all the vendors have come and gone to hire a professional home stager to help put the home back in a natural way that will wow buyers. Today, it's more important than ever to give your potential buyer an incredible online and in-person experience. For more information on how to wow, you might want to check out this video here. While there are many more things to consider when selling your home in 2021, it's important to decide right up front, are you going as is, nuts and bolts, or dress for success? A seasoned and professional real estate agent will be able to provide you the pros and cons to each decision. As is, this is where you can expect to sell the property. Nuts and bolts, this is where you should expect to sell the property. And dress for success, this is where you should expect to sell the property. Once again, a seasoned realtor should only focus on the items where a return on investment is guaranteed. In the end, there really are no rights or wrongs. This is about you having the very best options and choices and understanding the ramifications. For more information on selling your Montgomery County home, click on the link below where you can download my free Ultimate Home Seller's Guide. Thanks once again for visiting my latest video in a series, Real Kevin. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or subscribe to my channel. Thanks once again for checking me out. See you next Wednesday.